Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to buy a Rainbet gift card step by step. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to rainbet.com. Once you're here, click on the green wallet button at the top of the page over here. Then on the right hand side, you will see an option that says Rainbet gift cards, purchase or redeem. Click on that, and you will be redirected to the Kingwen page where Rainbet sells their gift cards. Now, here, select the amount, for example, $15. On the checkout page, type your email address over here. Then make sure that it's correct since your gift card will be sent there. Then easily re enter your email to confirm, then accept the terms and conditions, and then proceed with the payment. Click pay over here. And that's it. You have now successfully bought a Rainbet gift card. I hope you found this video very helpful.